Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 2 of our video series in which we are exploring the colorful world of clothing in Korean language. If you have not watched the first part yet, then you can go and watch it on Korean Express YouTube channel. Now let's start with the second part. First comes the Korean word for sweater, and that is sweater. Sweater. It is a loan word, right? Now let's see how you are going to say hat in Korean, and that is 모자. 모자. Next comes the Korean word for pajama. Now there are two ways to say pajama in Korean. One is the loan word pajama. Pajama. And the another one is a general word for sleepwear or nightwear. That is 잠옷. 잠옷. So sometimes you'll notice that pajama is referred as 잠옷 because you usually wear pajamas at night while sleeping, right? And also the second word, that is 잠옷, it is easy to remember because 잠 means sleep and 옷 means cloth. So sleep clothes or sleepwear, which means 잠옷. Okay, so pajama or 잠옷. Next comes the Korean word for vest, and that is 조끼. 조끼. Now let's move ahead and see how you're going to say coat in Korean. That is 코트. 코트. This one is also a loan word. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for gloves, and that is 장갑. 장갑. Now let's see how you're going to say jacket in Korean, and that is 재킷. 재킷. It was easy to remember because it is a Korean loan word. Now comes the Korean word for raincoat, and that is 우비. 우비. This one is very easy to remember because it's just a two-syllable word. Next comes the Korean word for scarf. Now again, there are two words for scarf in Korean. One is 목도리. 목도리. And the another one is 스카프. 스카프. The first one is a Korean word and the second one is a Korean loan word. Okay, so you can notice in the first one, 목도리, 목 comes from neck. The Korean word for neck is 목. So 목도리 comes from that. And the second one is very easy to remember because it is a loan word, right? Next comes the Korean word for swimsuit, and that is 수영복. 수영복. It is also very easy to learn because the Korean word for swim or swimming is 수영 and suit is 복. So swimsuit is 수영복. Okay? Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.